You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and today we got these. Here they are, the AJKO1 Low by Union Los Angeles and Jordan brand. And before we get into our episode today, we want to give a huge shout out to the good folks over at 1985 Gallery. If you're ever in the Daly City, San Francisco area, make sure you swing on over to 1985 Gallery in the Westlake Shopping Center for all your Jordan and Nike needs. They'll get you right. Huge shout out to them for letting us get an early preview of the AJKO1 by Union Los Angeles. For those of you who are unfamiliar, the AJKO1 High, originally released back in 1986. There's speculation on what the KO stood for, Air Jordan Knockout or Air Jordan Knockoff. People geared it more towards a knockoff because it was a Jordan 1 with not premium leather, mainly canvas. They've never done a KO low, so it was pretty interesting that Union decided to do a low for this collab. They previously collabed with Jordan. They're no stranger to doing Jordan collabs. The first one they did was the iconic Air Jordan 1 High in those crazy 2 colorways. After that, they did the Union Jordan 4s in 2 colorways, Nor and Guava. They also did another pair of Jordan 4s, which were more outdoorsy colorways. And then most recently, they did Jordan 2s in 2022. 2023, they've blessed us with the AJKO1 Low in this neutral gray colorway. There's another colorway as well with different materials, and I think it has navy blue swooshes. It reminds me of the neutral gray Jordan 1 Lows, the regular version. The major difference between the KOs and the Jordan 1s is the materials. This has a canvas upper with hits of suede. Starting with the tongue, it's 2 materials, half canvas, half suede, connected by Union signature yellow stitching. At the top of the tongue, you have that Nike branding on the nylon tab. And taking this down to the toe box, you have more of that canvas material. And then on the side paneling of the shoe, you have more of their signature yellow stitching. And taking us to the swooshes, you have more of the suede material. Little fun fact, the swooshes are removable, and under them it says UNLA. And very subtle branding, similar to their other collabs. You have a UNLA tab right here under the swoosh, and they come with extra swooshes as well. So if you didn't want to rock them with the gray swooshes, they do come with Carolina blue swooshes, which is pretty cool. You can interchange them, you can mix and match. I love little extras like that. You can customize the shoe, make it a little bit more personable to you. And it also comes with extra laces, neutral gray. One of my favorite features is that they put the sizing and the style code on the inner lining of the shoe, similar to how they did with the 85 versions. Taking us to the back of the heel cup, you have the AJKO Wings logo in leather, and you have more of that canvas material. You have a 2-tone sole. The midsole's cream, the outsole's light gray, and you have that AJKO outsole where there's a little dip on the back of the heel, which is different from the majority of Jordan 1s. The AJKO1 Low releases alongside of themed apparel that's inspired by mid-80s, late 80s rap. They drew inspiration from artists like Eric B. and Rakim, Cool G Rap, Big Daddy Kane, the Ultra Magnetic MCs, LL Cool J, Slick Rick, Dougie Fresh, etc. The shoe right here embodies that era perfectly. Another part of their campaign was just, why can't it all be so simple? To me, it's saying that it's a simple looking shoe. All the little details are there if you pay attention. It doesn't have to have flashiness to it. It doesn't have to have logo branding everywhere. Keep it simple. Make it an everyday shoe that you can wear with everything. I own a few pairs of AJKOs myself. I have the Chicago ones that I really enjoy. It's kind of a lighter Jordan. Like I mentioned earlier, the material is a little bit more flexible. It looks just like its counterpart, the regular Jordan 1s, and it comes from that same time period. For those of you who are interested in sizing, I go true to size in the AJKOs. I go with the 9.5. As far as price point goes, these will retail for $150, but if you're familiar with Union collabs, you know that they tend to have a nice resale value as well. And if you were trying to buy these early, I've seen them go for anywhere from between $250 to $350, depending on size. These shoes are releasing on Thursday, February 2nd on Union's website, and they get a wider release on Saturday, February 4th. In 2 colorways. Let us know, is this a shoe that you're interested in picking up? Do you like the AJKOs? Do you like Jordan 1 Lows in general? Is this a cool colorway? Let us know in the comments below, and let's go ahead and try these on.
Shoot Your Shot Records, let's fucking go.
I'm back, yeah, that feeling, I feel it. That shit that got me in it. keep it real, I miss it. Nothing as real as this shit. Still on the mission for my meal ticket. They still complaining and they still bitching. Ill, quit it. Instead of doing, they still wishing. They still tripping, I'm just built different. I'm still chilling, but I'm still building. I'm polarizing when I step outside. Feel like I got an extra life. Can't rest until my kids are set for life. Jesus, peace shine hella bright. Money give me devil eyes. Shit, I might go and put a rollie on that demon time. Nah, I don't do beef. For me, that's peace of mind. Nah, I don't start shit. That's how I sleep at night. With no regard for how they view me. If you ever had an issue, then lawyer up and sue me. I overdo it cause they can't outdo me.
If you enjoyed this review on the Union AJKO1 Low, then check out our other Jordan reviews right here.